Hello everybody! Things have been a little quiet over here the last few months as we have been wrapping our heads around and getting excited about our second baby. I don't think anyone is more excited than Charlotte.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Today I would love to share 5 things you can do to make your second pregnancy just as special as the first one. But before we get started, make sure that you like this video and subscribe because I have a whole bunch of new videos coming your way. There's some good stuff coming up that you don't want to miss.
Ooh.
I'm going to drop a little disclaimer right here at the beginning. This is how I felt, things that have made me feel special. Pregnancy is different for everyone, so take what you love, discard what you don't, and let me know what you think in the comments because I love, love, love hearing about other people's babies. Number 1, buy something new if you can. The best thing about being pregnant for the second time is that you really don't have to buy anything, but it feels nice to treat yourself and the new baby to 1 or 2 new special things. This time around for me, the first trimester felt like a total blur. There was so much going on in the world and at home. I really didn't have time to stop and process. It wasn't until one night that I stayed up late and I was on my phone. I went onto Solly Baby because that was the company that I bought Charlotte's coming home from the hospital outfit from. Even though hers is still in really good shape, I decided to get this new baby a little outfit to come home from the hospital in. And as soon as I hit add to cart, something clicked. Suddenly it felt real, it felt special. Treat yourself and the baby to at least 1 or 2 new things if you can. Number 2, get your firstborn as excited as possible about the new baby. You will have a hype person for the rest of your pregnancy. She is just psyched.
Baby Zoe.
Her excitement makes it feel so much more special for me. Even if they're hesitant at first, keep trying because once their excitement and energy kicks in, it really does feed you on those days where you are so tired and hormonal. Number 3, ask for more help. I think about this meme that I saw on Instagram all the time because it's true. Your first pregnancy, you are treated like Princess Queen Mother Earth. And everyone deserves that experience, but it is so different the second time around. There's more to do, there's less time to rest, there's noses and butts to wipe. You just can't indulge the experience maybe as much as you did the first time around. I've had to work on this myself and I'm very lucky to have a lovely partner who is very helpful. But ask for the little things that you need in order to get through the pregnancy, whether it's putting the little one to sleep so that you can take a bath before bed, or taking the kids outside so that you can have a good hormonal cry in privacy. It is all important and makes this pregnancy feel special because you're allowed the space to be a pregnant person as much as you were the first time, even if it's only in little increments. Number 4, get yourself a memory box. Forget the pregnancy journal this time around. There's no time, it'll just stress you out, so don't even think about it. Don't even start. But if you get a memory box, there are cute ones on Etsy if you want to buy them, but honestly, a shoebox or an old diaper box would work just as well. Now you have a designated spot to put all of the important things from this pregnancy. Sonogram pictures, cards, any other little tokens. By the end of this pregnancy, you will have a special little capsule that took you pretty much no time and effort, and you can give yourself a little gold star for keeping those memories, even as a second-time mom. Number 5, try to give yourself a little bit of a baby moon or whatever that means these days. It doesn't have to be lavish, it doesn't even have to be outside of your house. Just give yourself and your partner some time to not be parents for a couple of days or a couple of hours if that's what you can swing. This little baby is due in April, so I'm guessing we won't be able to go anywhere, but hopefully we can swing a long weekend where Charlotte stays with my parents. We can just relax, sleep in, watch some movies, and take a little deep breath before we are a family of 4. I hope these are helpful. Please let me know in the comments what you did to make your second, third, fourth pregnancy feel just as special as the first. And as always, please reach out if you have any questions or comments, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!